So I got this Ortho sprayer on Amazon, and I'm gonna try and soft wash my garage first before I do the house to make sure it works. I have just regular bleach in here, and then I threw a few squirts of Dawn dish soap in there with it for a surfactant. I'm gonna set it to 8 ounces, which is the highest, and I'm gonna spray down the garage, see how it works, and if I need a second application, I'll spray it down before I rinse it off and go from there. Here's the before. It's getting pretty bad, so we'll see what it looks like after a couple applications. Here it is after the first application and maybe 2-3 minutes into it. I'm gonna let it sit for a few more minutes. It looks like it's fading a little bit, and we might have to hit it with a power washer just to get that heavy stuff off, like up there. But we'll throw on another application here in a couple minutes, and hopefully it'll look a lot better. Why does a hose always kink? Come on! So stupid. Again. So here it is after 3 applications at the max setting, and I rinsed it off with just a regular garden hose. It looks 100% better. So this is definitely a viable option if you want to soft wash your house on a budget DIY without getting all the downstream injectors and everything that professionals use. All it takes is bleach from the store. I think we got this at Walmart. And the Ortho sprayer, which was on Amazon, and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. It could be a little bit better if you wanted to actually hit it with a power washer, because there's a few spots like up in here that could be a little bit cleaner, but I think this is going to be on my once a year to-do list to keep a nice clean garage and house. So if you guys like this video, go give it a try. Links are in the description for the sprayer on Amazon. And subscribe for more stuff because it helps me out and helps me do more videos like this.